Persian language surprises. According to many experts in the field of world literature, Persian is the sweetest language in the world, which has proud points. Persian is spoken in 29 countries around the world, ranked 6th after Spanish and before German. Persian is the second most classical language in the world after Greek, and it has all the characteristics of a classical language. Persian language among the top 3 in the world in terms of diversity of proverbs, and it is one of the richest and vastest language in terms of range of vocabulary. Persian language has the ability to make 235 million words, which is unique among the languages of the world. This is the 9th most widely used language in web and internet content. Persian language existed a century before Latin and 12 centuries before English, and 5 of the world's top poets are Persian speakers. In a few languages, a dictionary such as De Khoda's 18-volume dictionary or Mu'in 6-volume one can be found. One of the wonders of the Persian language is that it has been able to continue its growth path for more than 1,000 years and in many ups and downs. The last point is that Persian is a language of which a large number of verbs can be accumulated to build a single meaningful sentence. Such as, I was going, I saw, she had been sitting, I thought, let me ask and check whether she would come or she wouldn't. I heard she said she wouldn't wish to come, she wanted to sleep. So let's honor Persian language.